And there are also publications that show that bird species in areas that are very noise polluted, let's say cities, they vocalize in higher frequencies, for example, such that they can hear each other, or sometimes they also double communicate. So they repeat what they're saying.
Make sure that they've been heard.
Exactly, yeah.
And detected.
And I think that can also be interesting for us in terms of, I think detecting the species that are present is just the beginning. But if we can measure the well-being of animals, so stress detection, that can be really interesting.